Cheap, realistic prop money. That's what we'll be talking about today. It is double-sided. It is great for your props, making movies, videos, production, whatever you want to do, playing tricks on people. Some people have asked me if this video right here is fake money, and no, that is actually real money in that video there, just so you know. But I did get some prop money from Amazon. I will have a link in the video description below. It's probably the least expensive that I saw. And I'm going to show you a comparison between the real money and the fake money. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, side hustles, all kind of really cool stuff, cash apps, all kind of neat things like that. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Check out, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out as well. And check out all my old videos too. Alright, so let's get right into this. And before I show you this video, I'm going to tell you a couple things I forgot to mention in the video actually. The fake money is, you can definitely feel the difference. It definitely doesn't feel like real money, so you're not going to, pull any tricks and go to the store and try to, use it as a $100 bill, just so you know. It's very obvious that it's fake when you touch it. But for props, the stuff in movies, it's great. And another thing is they do have other, I'm doing $100 bills in this video coming up. The real, you could also get the real stuff. You can also get fake 20s, 5s, 10s, and 1s and stuff like that as well. And like I said, there's a link down in the video description below. It is an affiliate link for Amazon, so check that out too. One other thing, the Amazon listing does have this on it for the head of the money, but when you see the money, you don't get this. I guess they just do that for whatever reason on Amazon. I don't know. But it's actually the the real president's head on there. So this is kind of funny. It would be kind of funny if it was this, but check it out. All right, let's go. Okay, so the fake money versus the real money. So this is real money here, obviously, United States currency, $100 bills, back side, front side. This is the fake movie money for props, back side, light side, back side, front side. As you can see, it looks pretty realistic comparatively. It's a little lighter in color. Obviously, it says only motion picture purposes, whereas it says United States of America here. Closer look at the real one. Federal Reserve notes on this one. I need my glasses to read that. What's it say? Bill is a copy. It is from Magical Prop. And then we have the motion picture only side there. And then on the back side, this is a copy money, only motion picture purposes, where it says "In God We Trust" and such. And as you can see, they look pretty realistic. This is a stack of 10,000, and it's front and back, obviously. And these stacks, it's all real money, or all fake money. A lot of stacks sometimes will have, a fake one on top and a fake one on the bottom, and just filler paper in the middle, so you can have your stack or whatever. These ones are full $100 bills of fake money. You could put them like this. Rubber bands or whatever, and then you have your little bank things here for the $10,000. Another thing you can do is take like the real bill, stick it on top. If if you really want to get technical, or you have a close-up shot where you really need to have the $100 bill, just don't mix them up and go to the bank or something. So what I got here, I got 40 grand right here. Time. Another thing that you might want to do for your props, to even do it cheaper, just buy one pack of these. One pack of these you get 20,000. And it's really cheap. And there's a link down below, of course, like I said. But what you can do, buy a stack, 500 paper, whatever. Buy a paper cutter. You could get like four bills out of this. Just trace them out, 1, 2, 3, another one over here. Cut them. You have this as the filler paper, and you put your hundreds on the outside like so. Obviously this one has the filling in it, but it would look more like so. You could even make it a little, stain it with coffee or something to make it look a little dirty, old money, and then you're good to go. That would be a lot cheaper if you need like $1 million in fake money or something or whatever. But if you only need a couple grand, this is good too. So, pretty cool. Alright, so cool folks. Check out some of my other videos. Like I said, I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog about making money online. Real money, obviously not the fake money. But check that out too if you need some props for such and everything else like that. That is it. I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.